Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a Christmas package. It's from Missi Roeber, and she is one of my dolly friends on YouTube. She is an avid Blythe and other spectacular dolls. Oh, her collection is unbelievable. And didn't she just recently get her first Kenner, or she had Kenners before? I can't remember. But she has a doll collection that is amazing. There's a card, because she is so thoughtful, and I bet she made this. Yep. Come all ye Blythe dolls. Oh gosh, that's adorable. Look at that outfit. Wish my Blythe had an outfit like that. Marna and Deron, have a wonderful Christmas and dolly-filled New Year. Dolly-filled New Year. That's pretty possible. Oh, this is such a surprise, and oh my. Oh, wow. Look at this. Oh, little shoes. Oh, everybody loves shoes. Does Missi 3D print?
No.
Does she have a...
Her husband would like to.
I bet it looks like he does.
Maybe he does.
My goodness, those are adorable. Just adorable. Uh-oh. Let me clip this before I do something else. You can hear Rennie playing in the background. She's a year old now and quite the puppy. Oh, cool. What fun. Dear Girl Face washi tape. Oh, cute. Oh, cute. That's adorable. And then we have one of those little lipsticks, I think. I'm an idiot. Okay, there we go. Oh, it's a little pen. How cute is that? I thought there was one of those little Barbies in there. Oh, that's adorable. Look at these shoes. Oh, my. Oh, these are adorable. Look at the waffle stomper sole on these, Darren. Oh, God, that is so cute. Adorable and in red and green. That is so kind. I love these. There's more. Look at these stands. Oh my. Isn't that cute? Let's see, I think I'm doing it wrong. Oh, and these are the hip. Oh, there's a name for them and I can't think of it. How nice is that? Thank you so much. That is just the cutest. I would say her husband got a 3D printer and got to go into town. We're going to try those shoes on Christmas Carol in just a second. Oh, look at this. Oh, the Blythe stuff is incredible that Missi has. Just incredible. Oh, this means a lot. Oh my goodness. How cute is this? I love this. Rennie, maybe you could play somewhere else. Oh my God, that is so cute. Oh, and there's more. Look at this. Oh, look at this, a little froggy. We love frogs. Love frogs. Let me open this. Missi, I can't thank you enough. You are the nicest person. You are just a blessing to know. Kenner forever. Plays with dolls. I love this because it has the Blythe pull string. That is so cute. I have a couple of Blythe custom dolls waiting for me to love them enough to get going. And I just finished this one. This was a collab. This is Christmas Carol. Let's see how these little shoes look. Let's go with I want to see these green. I really like the green little waffle stompers. Oh my God, that is so cute. Look at that. Oh my goodness, new shoes. Got new shoes here. Do a little dance. Oh, I love them. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas. Thank you so much, Missi. Please leave a like, a comment, And if you have a second account, would you subscribe to my channel from there? I'm really trying to get to 6,000. I'm so close.
Merry Christmas.